Yeah, man, greetings everyone. Stewie coming to you from beautiful Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay. Consider this video a part 2 or a continuation of the previous video which showed you the destruction of the runway on August 25th, 2024. This video continues with the resumption of activities or the resumption of runway activities at the airport. This one has a strange happening. Aircraft are using both ends of the runway for departures. So some are departing towards the west over the ocean and some are departing towards the east over land. I've never seen this happen before on a normal day's operation, but then remember now, this is not a normal day. This is a day when the runway had to be closed and planes backed up on the ground, and they're doing everything to get these aircraft out of the airport, bringing the passengers to their destination. Also, bear in mind that while this is happening, there's no arrivals taking place, and only 2/3 of the runway is available. If this runway was not extended previously, none of these departures would have been possible. If you continue to watch this video, you'll see the resumption of flights coming back into Montego Bay, even the ones that were diverted to Kingston. You'll see some of those coming back to the airport.
JetBlue 380 will be ready at holding point 25.
Blue 380, sangster tower, roger. Enter runway 25, backtrack into position, when in position, cleared, takeoff, wind calm.
Alright, cleared on the runway 25, clear to back taxi, get into position, clear for takeoff, runway 25, JetBlue 380.
I also captured my first night landing on this video also. I'm very excited about that, to hear your comments in regards to what do you think about these night landings. And just quickly before I wrap this up, I'm just letting you know that the airport resumed normal operation on the 26th. So they worked through the night to do the repairs to the runway, and the airport resumed operations, normal operations, the next day. So MBJ Airport is fine, the runway crisp again and everything is running smooth. Bless up.
Are you ready for departure? Zero 06, roger. Runway 7 intersection Charlie.
Up on way runway 07 intersection Charlie, United 1206. One two zero six is ready.
Standby departure. Clear takeoff runway 7 intersection Charlie, wind calm.
Takeoff 07 intersection Charlie, United 1206.
Sunwing 793 Alpha, holding short 25, ready.
Entry, sangster tower, roger. Enter runway 25, backtrack into position and hold.
Can take position, runway 25, Sunwing 793.
06 airborne at 10, contact departure 120.8, good day.
That's 1206.
Tree, clear takeoff, runway 25, wind calm.
25, Sunwing 793, good day.
Entry airborne 13, contact departure 20.8, good day. Entry 907, arrive 10, vacate Charlie, what's your gate number?
On Charlie, American 2397, we do not have a gate yet, sir.
American 2397, roger. Taxi Charlie, Foxtrot, hold the beam gate 15 on Foxtrot.
Foxtrot, hold the beam 1.
No delay. 2126 sangster tower.
Go for JetBlue 2126.
JetBlue 2126, give way to the American, which is taxiing onto Foxtrot and taxi Alpha Charlie. Enter runway 07 and hold.
Alpha Charlie 07 and hold. JetBlue 2126.
Blue 2126, after departure fly heading 030.
After departure fly heading 2126.
Cleared takeoff runway 07 intersection Charlie, wind 230 degrees 4 knots.
Right, you're clear for takeoff runway 7 Charlie intersection and after departure is heading 030, JetBlue 2126.
cleared takeoff runway 07.
Sir, ready to go. We're clear to go. Yeah, but 126.
Contact radar 20.8 today. Knots.
25 or transat to 5.
I-18 arrived at 29er, vacate on Charlie. What's your gate number?
Left on Charlie to gate transat to 518.
518 Roger, taxi Charlie, right onto Alpha to gate 4.
Right Alpha, gate 4, transat 518.
Good evening, 250 Juliet Sierra RNP, runway 25.
Sierra Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 25, wind 220 degrees, 5 knots.
Continue approach, 250 Juliet Sierra.
Juliet Sierra, wind 220 degrees, 5 knots, clear to land runway 25.
Clear to land runway 25, 250 Juliet Sierra.
November 250 Juliet Sierra on time 34. Can vacate Bravo, continue across Alpha, Alpha 1 to the jet center, and monitor ground 1217.
Evening Bravo, Alpha Alpha 1 to the jet center, 250 Juliet Sierra.
Morning, Sangster Tower. Good evening. You are clear to land runway 25, wind 190 degrees, 6 knots.
918, clear to land runway 25.
Flowers 918, on time 01, vacate on Charlie, requesting your gate number.
Plus 918 will vacate on Charlie, and we're going to have to contact ops. I don't know what gate we're going to.
Problem, hold on Charlie, advise when you have the gate.
We'll hold on Charlie.